ABC Speaking Academy.
Today, let's have a speaking practice using household chores. Are you ready? Let's begin. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. He sweeps the floor. He sweeps the floor. She makes the bed. She makes the bed. We vacuum the carpet. We vacuum the carpet. They take out trash. They take out trash. I fold the laundry. I fold the laundry. He mows the lawn. He mows the lawn. He dusted the shelves. He dusted the shelves. We clean the windows. We clean the windows. They water the plants. They water the plants. I cook dinner tonight. I cook dinner tonight. He rakes the leaves. He rakes the leaves. She irons the clothes. She irons the clothes. We sort the recycling. We sort the recycling. They wash the car. They wash the car. I scrub the bathtub. I scrub the bathtub. He fixes the faucet. He fixes the faucet. She feeds the pets. She feeds the pets. We change the bulbs. We change the bulbs. They organize the closet. They organize the closet. I paint the walls. I paint the walls. He repairs the roof. He repairs the roof. She mops the floor. She mops the floor. We weed the garden. We weed the garden. I trim the bushes. I trim the bushes. We wash the windows. We wash the windows. Thanks for watching.